Ni ruguriti nindi Utea Bwa Meru irayombekene ni gutumirwa kiri waki kana cement hamwe na muthetu yomomo irayomba nindi kwitha yutumairo kugita maiga ya waka kuringana na mwarimu ndaitari Joseph Mwiti na ugite Utea Bwa nindi bukitha bukiguna bunene nterira njomo na Professor Romanas Odhiambo ranwe Vice Chancellor chukuru agitariria ini njire munende ya kuyika kinyago kura kwa miako thigurune John Thiga na utariria
Nyawe Mwiti University ya Meru ntere cianchiro ibombete kwigwa bakiruhuria laboratory irane kuthondeka intobe waki biungenwe na gacimiti gakai cimiti ire kwirikana kiri mantu megene na miakire rio waka barabara nyomba kana kinya dams no etetherie bunene kiri miakire na gakinya maguri mayo marinde kiringithanwa na cimiti ino ingi ya gwithire indeto kuringana na Dr. Joseph Mwiti uranwe senior researcher wa mantu amekire University ya Meru,
especially antu bara baka nyomba ciao saindi cia northeastern Isiolo, Moyale, Wajia guntu jaku ugatumira simiti ukathithia ukaungana na muju no ukathithia bit of compaction ukainyana na machine kidogo no uthithia blocks injaga muno na material tukuthithia aja ujo kela bweje yetu itakutuita hardener na hardener into bibio biere eka omba okakanywa nyomba na nyomba no igutumire as a good shelter and very decent na hardener hiyo tutumira aja ujo itumira simiti kidogo igatetheria kupunguza ngarama ya kulipia barabara na kwena hives njirene tekuntu kuza komba kwa dam chia simiti no utumire no thithia earth dam na this earth dam ukatumira simiti kidogo ustabilize na na eje yetu ustabilize na na eu roje rwa collect na roje no utumire kuthithia small scale agriculture.
Ndeto ino cia Dr. Mwiti cikire toritone munini wa Chancellor ya University ino ya Meru na Professor Romanas Odhiambo.
What I would like to encourage people, industries, is let's work together and see how we can make this a reality in terms of the kind of roads we build, in terms of the dams that we build, especially in the assault areas, in terms of the houses where we live, that we should, moving forward, make use of this modified cement that we are coming up in this university. We are already in talk with all industries that are dealing with this kind of materials. And we are already in talk and we have actually been certified by Kenya Bureau of Standards so that the material is now ready to be given out.
Professor Romanas yariuga ti mantu mameakire aki indi kinya mantu marera cimiti ino bakuthondeka cukuru ino ya Meru University igatetherie bunene.
The cement that we use all the time in our houses, most of the time, the amount of CO2 that is released to the environment is very high, and that is interfering with the ozone layers. Now, this material is very good. This lab is very good in going to try to check the kind of soils you live, wherever you live, and how much of that soil we need to mix together with what is called clinker and see the amount of cement localized in your place that you can use, and at the same time reducing the CO emission to the environment.
Hii ripoti na chaweru kuma University ya Meru ntere cianchero mbeta wa John Thiga.